How do you allow the video to rotate on an iPhone? So you might be watching a video like this one, which is fine, right? But you want to watch it in the horizontal position, right? You don't want to watch it like on the small piece of the screen, but you want to take up the whole screen. So if you want to do that, the first step is to swipe down from the top right to go to the control center. Find the lock screen or orientation lock, right? So as you can see, this is the locking of the screen, and make sure that this button is not selected. So now the orientation is enabled, and we can grab the phone like this, physically rotate it like that, and then now the video is in this orientation. So as you can see, this is how you can rotate videos or allow them to be rotated. And of course, you can do it on the other side as well if you rotate it like this, but make sure that you also lift it up like that, and it's going to rotate it to the other side as well. So it now at this point just depends on how exactly you want to have it, because you can make it come back, and then now this is another option. But it all works only because we have the orientation lock lifted. If I click on it like this, we can now rotate the phone, but nothing happens. So that's what you need to know about it. If you would like to see more tutorials and videos like this one, definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything important, and I'll see you later.